open the glove box, remove any items that might be in here, set those aside. And in the very back right here, there'll be a little cover with a tab. Press in, pull out. In the very back, there's also another cover with 2 tabs. You can push in on that side, push on here, pull out, and that should open right up. You can use a pick, reach in, grab that, and gently pull outward. The airflow is specific, facing downwards, so you want the airflow to go down through here and out the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and line this up, tuck it in, push it in. Take your cover that says up, line that up, snap it in on both sides, grab your trim cover, line that up, and insert these little tabs onto the left side of the glove box, line it up, clip it in. Insert your dash components here and close the door.